Right, multiplying and dividing fractions is really pretty simple. Multiplying fractions, we get the product just by multiplying straight across. Multiply the two top numbers, put that on top. Multiply the two bottom numbers, put that product on the bottom, and there's your product. In 4a, we want to multiply 3 halves by 5 sevenths, and so this is 3 times 5 over 2 times 7, or 15 over 14. In part B, we want to multiply 15/14 by 21 over 12. Now, when you are multiplying fractions, sometimes it can be helpful to factor first because you might be able to reduce your answer a little bit more easily that way. In this example, 15 is 3 times 5. 14 is 2 times 7. 21 is 3 times 7. And 12 is 3 times 4. So we can reduce already. These 3's will cancel. Let's see, and as well as these 7's, right? As long as you have the same factor on top as you do on the bottom, it doesn't matter if they're in the same fraction or in different fractions. They're fair game for canceling. And so we're left with on top 3 times 5, which is 15, and on the bottom 2 times 4, which is 8. Now, if you're dividing fractions, what you do first is just turn it into multiplication. And so if I have one fraction, a over b, and I want to divide it by c over d, well, I'm going to carry over the a over b just as is. We're going to change this division into multiplication here, and then the second fraction, or the fraction we're dividing by, we're going to flip, and then we do that multiplication. So in 3c, we have 3 halves divided by 13/12. So this is the same as 3 halves times, I'm going to flip the second fraction over, 12 over 13. And just like in the last example, once we're at this point, we could probably do a little canceling. In fact, you can do it first by factoring the 12. So 3 halves times 12 is 2 times 6. And it's over 13, so we can cancel the 2's here. And we are left with on top 3 times 6, which is 18. And on the bottom we have 13.